Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you idea that how I can open my Lexus car's doors even if this car battery is dead. How I can do that? There is really trick and thing in this key that when I move this small part in here, this switch in this way, and then same time I pull out this key, there is spare key inside. And using this key I can open these Lexus doors. And inside in this area there is car battery. And we have to open that also in here. And I have another video on this area. Okay.